Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 100 of Surah Al-Ma'idah and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل لا يستوي الخبيث والطيب قاف is heavy for the circle ellipse attached لام لام you get صفة في توسط قل لا two counts long yes keep yes soft for فتحة open jaws attached seen will get صفة of رخاوة and it has سفير but it should not be too long yes that is very sharp of a top on jaws will مخرج واو circle in your lips والكسرة give e sound attached لام لام when you get صفة of توسط will خ is heavy for top on jaws b two counts long su for the circle ellipse the sound is short و مخرج واو circle in your lips attached to is heavy and there is a box so give nice box here والطي and then طا is attached with ya. Here you are giving number. Whenever ya and wow are with tashdid, you are giving number, and number is a jump on sound. طي e for kasra give e sound. And keep the soft notes of ya there. You cannot make it sharp. طي بو for the circle ellipse. The sound is short. هو مخرج of واو circle in your lips ففتحة open jaws low. This is wow lean, so make it soft and make it two counts long. Low. Hamza from your throat and Ain from your throat too. So uh, this is sharp and Ain has the wasut. J for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. B for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. K for kaf is light. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Jabaka. Kas. Kaf is light. For fatha open jaws, attach it. Sa. Tha will get sifa of rukhawa. Kas. Ra. Ra is heavy. Whenever ra has fatha or dhamma, it is heavy. Tul for dhamma circle ellipse attach it. Lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Kha. Kha is heavy. For fatha open jaws. B. Because of the waqf, you are giving sukoon on the. This temporary sukoon has turned this two counts long vowel into four counts. This is madarat sukoon. And then ta will get sifa of rakhawa because it will be with sukoon now because of the waqf. Kathratul khabith. Fatta. Give hams on fa for fatha upon jaws attach it. Ta will get sifa of shidda. There is no flow of sound. Fatta for fatha upon jaws. Qul. Qaf is heavy for the ma circle ellipse attached with lafz jilala. Lafz jilala will be heavy too because there is the ma before it. Qul two counts long. Ha for fatha upon jaws. Ya mad muttasil wajib. Make it four counts long. U for the ma circle ellipse. Lil for kasra give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Al hamza is sharp and attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Ba two counts long. B for kasra give e sound and the sound is short. La for fatha open jaws. Al ain from your throat for fatha open jaws attached with lam. Keep lam light. Al for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Kum for the circle ellipse attached with meme, we will get sifa of tawassut. Tuf for the circle ellipse attached with fa, fa will get sifa of rakhawa and hams. Tuf li for kasra give e sound. Hoon. Because of the waqf, you are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this two counts long vowel into four. This is madarat sukoon. قل لا يستوي الخبيث والطيب ولو أعجبك كثرة الخبيث فاتقوا الله يا أولي الألباب فاتقوا الله يا أولي الألباب لعلكم تفلحون. Yeah, 4 counts long and keep your light and soft. Yeah, ay. Hamza is sharp. Fatha upon jaws attached with ya. Ya will get never whenever ya and wow have tashdid. It has never and never is jump of sound. Ay, you for the circle lips. Hal for fatha upon jaws attached lam. Lam will get sip of tawassut. La for fatha upon jaws. The 2 counts long. Na for fatha upon jaws. 2 counts long. Ma for fatha upon jaws. Nu 2 counts long for the circle lips. La 2 counts long. Tas for fatha upon jaws. Ta is sharp. As you will touch seen, you will give rakhawa and safir, but it should not be too long. Tas Hamza is sharp for fatha upon jaws. Lu for the circle lips. Make it 2 counts long. Ain from your throat for fatha upon jaws. Attach it. Noon will get sifa of tawasut. And sifa is idhar. Ruling is idhar. And sifa is tawassut. An ash. Hamza is sharp. Fatha upon jaws attached. Shin. Shin will get sifa of rahawa. And it has the washi. Ash. Yeah. Yeah is soft. Make it 4 counts long. Mad muttasil wajib. For fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. This is fa. You are hiding the sound of noon. You're going towards makhraj of ta. You're getting ready to pronounce ta. And you're keeping the sound in your nose. This is ikhfa. So, tube. For the circle ellipse, attach it ba. Ba will get sifa of qalqala. And qalqala is taba'ud. Tube da. For fatha upon jaws. La. For fatha upon jaws. Kum for the circle ellipse attached with meme, you will get sifa of tawassut. Sifa is tawassut and ruling is ithar. Kum ta for fatha upon jaws. Su for the circle ellipse. As you will touch hamza, your lips should be in a straight position and it should get shidda. The sound will be cut off very nicely because this is a shidda letter. Shidda means there is no flow of sound. Tu, ta, su, kum for the circle ellipse attached with me, we will get sifa of the wasat. Your lips should be in a straight position while you are pronouncing meme. Kum, huwa, makhraj of waw circle in your lips, for fatha upon jaws. This is ikhfa. You're not pronouncing the sound of noon. You are making your mouth ready to pronounce ta, and you're keeping the sound in your nose. This is all about ikhfa. And das for fatha upon jaws attached. Seen will get sifa of rakhawa. Das hamza is sharp for fatha upon jaws. Lu for the circle lips. Make it 2 counts long. An ain from your throat for fatha upon jaws attached. Noon. The sifa is tawassut and ruling is idhar. An ha 2 counts long. He 2 counts long. Na for fatha upon jaws. You for keep ya soft for the circle lips. The sound is short. You naz for fatha upon jaws attached. Za will get sifa of rakhawa and it has safir. Nazza for fatha upon jaws. Lul for the circle lips attached with lam. As you will touch the second lam, your lips should be in a straight position and you're giving tawassut. Lul. Oh, off is heavy for the circle lips. Ra is heavy too because there is the ma before it. Qur, and give the wasut on ra. Qur. Two counts long. Nu, for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Tube. Ta is sharp. For the circle ellipse, attached ba. Ba will get sifa of qalqala. Tube. Da, for fatha upon jaws. La, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Kum, for the circle ellipse, attached meme, we will get sifa of the wasut. A, ain from your throat, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Faw, fa is light, but lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Fallah, make it two counts long. Who, for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. An, ain from your throat, for fatha upon jaws, attached noon. Sifa is the wasut and ruling it with her. Ha, two counts long. Wallahu, لفظ جلالة, and this wow, this makhraj of wow is circling your lips, fatha upon jaws. لفظ جلالة will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Wallahu, for the circle lips. Gha, ghain is heavy for fatha upon jaws. Fu, give two counts long, make it two counts long, and for the circle lips, give hams in fa. Fu, urun, urun, ra is heavy, and sifa is the wasut, and ruling it ihar. Urun, ha, ha, from your throat for fatha upon jaws. Lim. Because of this waqf, you're giving temporary sukoon on meme. This temporary sukoon has turned this two counts long vowel into four. This is mad arid lis sukoon. يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا تسألوا عن أشياء إن تبد لكم تسؤكم وإن تسألوا عنها حين ينزل القرآن تبد لكم عفى الله عنها والله غفور حليم. Qad, qaf is heavy for fatha upon jaws attached. Dal, keep dal light and make it two count. Make it qalqala. There is qalqala and qalqala is the ba'ud. Qad, sa is, the sound of seen is short. Hamza is sharp for fatha upon jaws. La, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ha, two counts long. Qaw, this is wawlin, so make it soft and make it two counts long. قوم. This is idgham. This is idgham, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time because it has akmal gunna. قوم من for the ikhfa of qaf and kaf, you're blocking your makhraj nicely, and for qaf you're making ikhfa heavy. Min qablikum. Qaf is heavy but keep ba light. Qablikum, for the circle ellipse attached mim, you will get sifa of tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. For the circle ellipse attached meme, as you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position. The hunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ma, for fatha upon jaws. As, hamza is sharp, for fatha upon jaws, attached sod. Sod will get sifa of raqawa and safi, and it is heavy. As, ba, for fatha upon jaws. Hu, ha from your throat, for dhamma circle ellipse, make it two counts long. Hu, bi, for kasra, give E sound. Ha, two counts long. Ka, two counts long. Fi, give hums in fa. For kasra, give E sound. Reen. Because of this part, you are giving temporary sukun on noon. This temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts long. This is مد عادة للسكون. قد سألها قد سألها قوم من قبلكم ثم أصبحوا بها كافرين. Ma, 2 counts long. Ja, Jim is sharp letter for fatha upon jaws. There's no flow of sound. Ja, ain from your throat for fatha upon jaws. Law. This lam is light, but lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Law, 2 counts long. Who for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Mim for kasra give e sound. And this is iqlab, so you're changing the sound and at the same time you're keeping the sound in your nose. Mim ba for kasra give ease, for fatha open your jaws. Ba he, ha from your throat, make it 2 counts long. He ra is heavy. Whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, it is heavy. Ra tiung, this is idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Tiung, hua, from makhraj of wow, circle your lips, fatha upon jaws. Hua, la, 2 counts long. Sa, 4 counts long. Mad muttasil wajib. E, for kasra give E sound. Ba, for fatha upon jaws. Tiung, idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Tiung, hua, makhraj of wow, circling your lips, fatha upon jaws. La, 2 counts long. Hua, makhraj of wow, circling your lips, fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Sli, slot is heavy, make it 2 counts long. Sli, la, for fatha upon jaws. Tiung, idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Hua, makhraj of wow, circling your lips, fatha upon jaws. La, 2 counts long. Ha, 2 counts long, and ha should be from your throat. Meow, idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time and keep your lips circled when you are giving idgham. Meow, because this is idgham with wow. Meow, wa, for fatha upon jaws. La, 2 counts long. Kin, for kasra give e sound, attach with noon, you'll get sifa of gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Nal, give the wasut on lam. Nalla, for fatha upon jaws. The, 2 counts long. Na, for fatha upon jaws. Ka, kaf is light, for fatha upon jaws. Fa, give hams and fa, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ru, ra is heavy. For the circle lips, make it 2 counts long. If, yeah, is soft. For fatha upon jaws, attach it fa. Fa will get sifa of hums, and hums is flow of breath, and there is rakhawa too. If, ta is sharp. For fatha upon jaws. Uru, 2 counts long. For dhamma, circle lips and make it 2 counts long and make it heavy whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, it is heavy. Na, for fatha upon jaws. Ain from your throat, for fatha upon jaws. Lahu, this lam, the first lam is light, but lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Law, Heal, for kasra give e sound attached with lam, will get sifa of the wasut. Kadib, kaf is light. Dib, for kasra give e sound attached with ba. Because of this waqf, you are giving temporary sukun. This temporary sukun has brought in this qalqala on ba. Kadib, wa, makhraj of waw, circling your lips, for fatha upon jaws. Ak, hamza is sharp, for fatha upon jaws attached with kaf. Kaf will get sifa of hums, and hums is flow of breath. Ak, ta, whenever kaf has sukun, you will give hums. Ta, for fatha upon jaws. Sa is light, and the sound is short. Ta, uru, ra is heavy, for dhamma circle lips, the sound is short. Home for the circle ellipse attached ميم we will get صفة of توسط and حكمه إظهار. لا two counts long. Yeah keep ya light for فتح open jaws attached عين will get صفة of توسط and should be from your throat. قي قاف is heavy for كسرة give E sound. It will be comparatively light because there is كسرة on it. قي لون because of this waqf. You're giving temporary sukun on noon. This temporary sukun has turned this two counts long vowel into four. This is mad arid للسكون. ما جعل الله من بحيرة ولا سائبة ولا وصيلة ولا حام ولكن الذين كفروا يفترون على الله الكذب وأكثرهم لا يعقلون. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.